Good morning, everyone. Welcome today, in the last day of the working week. Friday, yes, it's Friday, March the 10th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. In this newspaper, yes, an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Sugubu. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening. But let me solve these two first. The Sudoku Light and the Heavy Sudoku. Oh, by the way, what's the news of today? Wow. Tomorrow on Saturday, let me show you. Saturday, there's a lot of protesting here in town. Oh. Yeah, come on. Wow, what's happening here? Tomorrow, the farmers are going on strike, but also people from Extinction Rebellion also protesting here. So in this city, a lot of protesting. Wow. We will see how heavy it will be tomorrow. Yeah. Alright. Sudoku Light number 6090. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, I believe, 27 printed digits. Yeah. 6090. Yeah. 27 printed digits. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. In the additional, it's a 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if I can manage this. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan. Which shall I pick? One pencil, okay. How about the number 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, though, need 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. Is here 9 this row? No 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then. Yeah. How about the 2 in this column? The 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then. Well. One in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in this row. No 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit and number 1 and number 1 here. Wait. Then. How about 327? 327. Well, I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the numbers 3, 2, 7. We have a 3, 2, 7 in this column, so no 3, 2, 7 in these 3 boxes. 3, 2, 7 goes in those 3 boxes. 327, 327, 327. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row. So no 27 in this box. So 1 digit left, 327. The 3 is left. And the 2 and the 7 are left for those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. Wait, where's the 9? Where's the 9? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5, 8, and a 9. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. Alright, 5, 8, 9. That means those 2 missing numbers in this column. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Well, need to wait. 4 and the 6. Alright. Okay. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 7 in the first row. So the row between. Second row, the only place left for the 7. Should be there. Then. Yeah. 3, 3. Okay. 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 2, 4. 4, 4. Need an 8 here. Yeah. Okay. 8 we have there. Come on. We have a 3. 9, 2, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4. Okay. 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes here. 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square, could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And we have a pair, the 4 and the 7 in the third column, the 4 and the 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, and the only place left for the 6 should be there. A 1 box left in this column, I believe the 4. Told you 4 and a 6. Here we have 5, 8, and a 9. This should be the 4. 4 and a 7. We have a 4 now in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this middle row for the number, I believe, the 9, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. No, the 5. We already have a 9 here. Yeah, the 5 is missing. See? Double check. You need to double check here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mother. 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. Alright, 4, 4. No. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 to 7, we have a 7 now. In this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. Oh, cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 marks. A lot of pairs in this puzzle. Although it's a Sudoku Light. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 boxes. Okay, about these 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. 6 and the 9 in the middle, in the second row. So here can be the 6 and the 9. So 1 digit left should be the 5. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes here. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 5 and 8 are left. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 8 now in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the mother. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no, only 2 places left. For the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 and the 5. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5. It goes there. Well, let me zoom this out. Come on. Well. Yeah. So we have 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 3 and the 5 are left now in this column. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 4 Should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the mother. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 and a 9. We have a 6 now in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Final number in this big square for the mother. 1, the 2 is missing. Finishing 15 minutes. Well, not quite faster than 50 minutes, but I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes. It's, well, you need to think here. We have a lot of pairs, but it's solvable. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other regular puzzle, the Sudoku Heavy. Until then, bye bye, and for now.